You must be Thomas Ray. Hi, my name is Catherine. I've been looking forward to meet you.
Oh, hi. I'm Thomas. Nice to meet you.
Good to see you, too.
Sorry, what's your name again?
Catherine. But please call me Kathy.
Okay, Kathy. You can call me Tom.
Okay. Do you want to go somewhere quiet so we can talk? It's kind of crowded here.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's so that. Do you know any good place around here?
There's a Starbucks at the corner of 6th and 7th Street.
Sounds good. Let's go.